We have got a hailstorm here in Stockbridge. Pea to marble size hail. An extreme high wind. As you can see, the container got... Sorry about the abrupt end, but the batteries died in the camera. It has stopped now. But there were some high winds, around 50 to 60 miles an hour. Pea to marble size hail. As you can see, the trees took a little bit of a beating. Still some thunder around. The clouds are moving pretty good. Some of them's in different directions. Here's some hailstones in this bucket here where there's some carrot seeds. That's pea to marble size right there. All over the place. And the bean pot and the tomatoes, as well as the peppers. There's one right there that's a good size right there. Onions are laid over. Sparse plants are drooping right now. Keep an eye on this cloud situation. So that's it right now. This just popped up all of a sudden. So we'll go for now and see what else develops. We'll talk to you later, and thanks for watching. Here is a radar shot of the storm that just passed over Stockbridge. The red arrow is my house, and as you can see, that purple area is the hail core that came right over us. It is now 6:12 p.m. and we've got more storms coming this way from the southwest. We'll see how it goes. Here we go again. It's about 6:30. High winds. The lights have flickered already once. Very high wind. This has to be in excess of 50 to 60 miles an hour. This is ahead of a storm cell that's headed from the southwest, which is in that direction you're looking at now. There went a blue swimming pool. I hope the camera caught that. I just saw it out of the corner of my eye. There's a little bit of lightning. pretty sure you can pick up the wind noise in the little microphone here on this camera. And of course, as you can see, General is out here looking at it. Not an atypical cat. He likes to see what's going on. As you can hear, there are sirens going off everywhere. Fire, ambulance, police. It's been going on for about 20 minutes. It sounds like they're sending the whole county out. We've lost power here. And it's starting to get dark. And I don't know exactly where they're going. Sounds like they are going down Miller's Mill Road. Yeah, they're going down Miller's Mill Road. So something out that way has happened, major. It is raining now, of course, as you can hear on the tin roof, and lightning a little bit. The blue pool is still over there in the yard. And General is still looking around. So I'm going to shut it down for tonight because it's going to start getting too dark to film. And we'll see what we've got in the morning. We'll talk to you later. Well, it's the morning after the storms. And we do have a little damage around. Got various small limbs down all over the place. My neighbor up there lost the rest of his apple tree. So let's venture up here to the back of the backyard to see what else was done. This limb here has been bent and is cracked and has permanently been around this way now. And small tree is down. And a large limb from this oak has come down. Take you around here to show you where it came down at from the tree. As you can see, it just split and peeled off. And there's the small tree that was next to it. Let's head around this way a little bit. And as you can see, it cut across the fence. And the little road that runs behind here to where about 3 or 4 families live. So last night, just as it was getting dark, myself and my neighbor came up here trying to at least open the road. And then one of the family gentlemen that lives back here was trying to leave, so he got his chainsaw and we started clearing the road out. So this is what's left. And my nephew's going to try to come up this weekend and help me clean this up and possibly take that tree down, because it won't survive that kind of injury. And later on, I've done told him that those 2 trees there that are near the house and near the carport, those 2 trees have got to go. I can just see them falling either on the house or on the carport where my car and truck are. I don't like that idea. So they've got to go. So that's it from here in Stockbridge. And thank you for watching. Stay safe with all these storms, because they're getting stronger for some reason. Take care and have a good day.